Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A3, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So, to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages, you should have a screen recording toggle. For me, it is right over here. And once you see it, you can simply press on it. This will give you a pop-up letting you choose what kind of audio you'll be recording. In the drop-down menu, we have a device audio, microphone, or both. And obviously, if it's off, it's not going to record anything in terms of audio. And then below that, we have show touches on the screen, which I'll enable just so you can see how that looks like, because it might be a little bit distracting for some specific contents that you might be recording. In any case, from there we're going to select start. This will begin a countdown from 3 and then begin recording. We got Netflix to show off right here. Okay, right off the bat you can see we have content visible on the screen. Now this will be very important in a moment once I will be viewing this recording, but I'll just kind of flip through it. So we have a bunch of crap visible right here. We have a login page, again with keyboard showing up. I'm going to close this now and also stop the recording. Once you stop the recording, it will automatically get saved to your gallery application. Oh, we have it right here, Photos. And in here we can navigate to Library and Movies. That's where the screen recordings will be saved to. And once we start playing it back, you will see something very interesting where Netflix just gives you nothing. And this is a feature of Android designed for privacy and security of the user of this device, not the actual application. But there are shitty applications like Netflix which will basically abuse this. And keep in mind, I'm not even signed into this application, and it gives me this, which is absolutely nothing, without my permission or my explicit agreement to do so, because I have never agreed to their shitty terms of service. I have never logged into their garbage application. But you can see that's basically all I get. Now, to explain this feature is designed for, like I said, privacy and security, and it's most frequently utilized by bank applications, as far as I can tell. And at that point, you can imagine, yeah, that's probably a good thing. If you have any kind of malware that would try to see your screen and what kind of pins you're using for your bank, you might imagine that might pose some kind of risk to you. So therefore, Android can block this, and that's kind of how this feature should be used. But then you have garbage apps like Netflix and any kind of other streaming dog shit, and some other applications that have absolutely zero reason or should have zero ability to use this, but yet they can. And once they basically implement it into their application, there is nothing you can do about it. So if you ever encounter your screen recording presenting you with completely black screen, like you've seen with my screen recording and Netflix in particular, just know that whatever you are trying to record just decided to tell you, no, you're not going to use your device the way you want to. In any case, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.